Hi, I'm Perry from Mesa Digital Marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to change the bridge logo in the top left-hand corner usually of most bridge demos, sometimes in the center. It's either a logo or the text that says bridge. We're going to swap that around for your logo instead. So here's an example website put up here. This is the bridge theme. Sometimes, like I said, it just says the word bridge. First thing you want to do is log into the back end of the site. Scroll all the way to the very bottom and find Qode Options, and then select logo. And then once you're in there, you'll notice there's lots of logo options for different settings. When you have the header item, you can change the header to be dark or light, and that's where these all apply. So I would suggest changing all of them to the necessary ones. So if you need a light image, do it white, and dark for black, etc. In our example, I'm just going to change this one. So I just hit upload. I already uploaded my logo here for Mesa Digital Marketing. You need to make sure it's a PNG or something with a transparent background, unless you're okay with showing a white background for your design. So we'll select that image and then hit Save Changes, and then go back to the home page, and we're going to refresh, or we'll let it take us to a new home page here. Okay, there it is. So now our logo has been replaced with theirs, and you scroll down, in this particular case it stays there, but again, you're going to want to change that for everything, including the mobile option. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you enjoyed the video, we have lots more on the bridge theme, and we hope that you enjoyed them, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much.